Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cars are assembled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Materials are carefully processed, ensuring both strength and safety in every component. Every vehicle is assembled and tested to meet strict quality standards.
Every car is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
And that's how cars are assembled, Robotic, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.